So you're head of project management here.
Yeah.
What does that mean? What's your main focus?
My role previously was to look at the oversight of projects, whereas now I'm looking at shaping delivery from a project management standpoint to implement the right level of governance to make sure that we're standardising the projects across the board and we can offer that back into efficiencies into the client.
Can you explain? I'm not that techy, so can you explain what that means in terms of governance, how that's going to benefit?
Yeah, so if we're doing projects to the same level, to the same standard, our level of consistency of that excellent delivery remains across the board. The aim of that would be the quicker and the more efficient that we get with our deliveries, the quicker and the better the value the client gets to realise.
So it's basically standardise everything.
Standardise everything. What's also given the level of agility that a lot of these clients need. Every client's different, they've got their own needs, but as long as we can offer a level of standardisation that we can work with, then we can then look to tailor our approach per client as well.
When it comes to project delivery, how does your role assist in making sure that runs smoothly and how the client sees the most benefit from that delivery process?
So as a young company, I think we've got a great opportunity to start from a blank canvas. With me coming into this role, I get to implement the processes that I've seen from my experience but also combining that with the experts that we have in the company already. Best practice delivery is going to lead to best practice efficiency on the end of it. From my perspective, I'm looking to put my own spin on it, put my own name on it, but also in line with what do we get from a value standpoint.
So we've recently grown out the project management team.
Yeah.
And obviously you've led that growth. How's that going to look looking ahead? What excites you about leading that growth even further? And how has that growth played into the success of delivery right now?
Yeah, I think we've been really lucky to bring on the people that we've got, and that's led to another growth period within our team. So having the right people, we're obviously a people-focused company, bringing the right people in at the right time is something that we pride ourselves on. From my perspective, as long as we're bringing in them people and telling them exactly what their expectations are, we can offer them, again, I'm going to say it again, the value back to that client. So they have an operating procedure within project management, and everything that we deliver to that quality and that standard gets offered back into the client in terms of return on value. A successful delivery for them means a successful delivery for us.
And in terms of the future, what excites you about your role now?
Growing the team. So initially, I'm a nerd. I like business processes. I like implementing new things. And again, I like taking ownership and accountability of it. But it's just empowering the team for that same level of accountability and holding them to the standard that we know that we can deliver on.